The wheel set consists of 2 wheels, an axle, and 2 retaining clips. The wheels on your cooler are built to withstand years of rugged use. Even so, accidents happen that can cause damage to them. Replacing the wheel set is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old wheel set from the cooler. I'll use a screwdriver to snap it out of the housing. Now I can begin assembling the wheel set. First, I'll install one of the retaining rings onto the end of the axle. To do that, I'll place the cone portion of the ring down on top of a 3/8 inch socket. I'll place the axle onto the retaining ring and then tap it into place. I'll slide the first wheel onto the axle with the lettering out, followed by the second wheel, again with the lettering facing out. I'll place the second retaining ring onto the axle and use my socket and mallet to install it. And now this assembly is ready to go back onto the cooler. And now you know how to replace the wheel set on your cooler. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.